Okay, so today I'm going to be illustrating some developmental networks with the cast of That 70s Show. I'm going to do examples of gene expression through activation and repression. Okay, so first we're going to go over what these symbols mean. So this arrow means that activation is occurring in the gene regulation, and this T-bar symbol represents that repression is occurring in the gene regulation. So here we have Donna, and we can see that she activates Jackie because she likes Jackie. And here we have a T-bar because Jackie is repressing Lori because she does not like Lori. Lori is repressing Eric because they're siblings and she's always trying to get him in trouble. Eric is activating his mother because he is her favorite child. And Kitty is repressing Red from yelling at Eric and getting Eric in trouble. So you can see that Lori is being repressed by Jackie and it's inhibiting her from repressing Eric here. So this pathway helps Eric from not getting in trouble with his father. Red frequently depicts where he'll put his foot whenever Eric is up to trouble. So you can see here we have the same pathway, and we're going to talk about some outcomes if you mutated the pathway by removing some people from the pathway. So if Kitty was removed, then Red will give Eric his foot because she is not repressing him anymore. If Lori was removed, then Eric will not get his father's foot because she's not going to be repressing Eric at all. If Jackie and Lori were both removed, then Eric wouldn't get his father's foot because all the repression from Lori is still gone. So if Donna and Jackie were both removed, then Eric would get his father's foot because Donna's not going to be able to activate Jackie, and Jackie's not going to be able to repress Lori. So Lori's going to repress Eric, and he will get his father's foot. Thanks for watching!